Foreclosed property alert! Kung naghahanap ka ng affordable home sa Lancaster, New City, baka ito na ang chance mo. BDO Foreclosed, Diana Inner Lot, as is where is. Location, Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area, 50 square meter. Floor area, 61 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Ang starting bidding price, 1,658,070 lang. Halos presyo lang ng kotse para sa isang bahay sa prime location. Pero tandaan, foreclosed property to. Mabilis maubos at kapag naunahan ka, wala nang balik. 10% down payment lang, 50,000 reservation fee, 90% bank home loan, PDC or MC. Pwede rin cash payment. Note, bank fee sa transfer of title hindi pa kasama. At kung ikaw lang ang interesado, wala nang bidding war. Diretso sa'yo. Free house tour assistance at tutulungan ka namin mula viewing hanggang bidding. Huwag palampasin, message us now bago maunahan.